First, I pick out the Afro to get a more precise haircut. Then I trim the bulk on the sides with the number 6 guard. Go over it again, repeat the same process with the number 5 guard. Go over it again, repeat the same steps with the number 4 guard. The objective is to gradually blend the hair in a tapered area of the head. Go over it again with the number 3 guard. Go over it again with the number 2 guard. Last and final guard we will use to debulk the sides. Next, we will create the first initial skin guideline with the trimmer and get rid of excess hair below. Next, use the balders underneath the initial skin guideline for crispier taper. Begin blending taper. Clipper, lever, open. Create increments of ½ inch width. Use number 1 guard. Lever open. Another ½ inch width. Next, erase the line that was created by the initial skin guideline. Clipper lever closed. Create ½ inch increments in that section. Next, use the 1/16 guard. Blend in between the number 1 and the 1½ guard. Next, freestyle with the flat top comb by trimming and sculpting the hair. After sculpting the hair, I will go back and use any necessary guard to improve blend. Other side, repeat the same exact steps as the other side of the head. Create initial skin guideline for neck taper, earlobe level. Get rid of excess hair and use Barber below initial skin guideline. Next, create second skin guideline, clipper, lever open, 1-inch increments. Trim hair with the grain and against the grain. Next, use a number 1 guard. Repeat the same steps. Next, clipper closed. Erase the line that was created by the initial skin guideline. Clipper lever closed. Create 1/4-inch increments in that section. Next, use 1/16 guard. Blend in between the 1 and the 1.5 guard. For the hairline, repeat the same process as the other side. Time to do the edge up. Spray hairspray in the area, dry with the blow dryer. Use trimmers to edge up the hairline. Do not apply too much pressure so you won't cut the skin. Repeat same process on the other side. For the front of the hairline, repeat the same steps as the back taper. When you're edging the forehead, make sure that you begin with the side that's receding the most so that you can start from that side and take it straight across for a perfect lineup. Recline the client back and go over the area with the straight razor for that crispy edge up. Here's the finished product. Follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel, AmbitiousEdge. Blah, blah.